Welcome to Katerina Finds. I received set of 4 folding patio chairs. For review, let's open up and see how they work. It comes with easy manual instruction that shows how to fold and unfold the chair.
Chairs comes very nicely packaged. There is absolutely no assembly required, they just folding and unfolding with no tools needed. Very convenient. They come in a few different colors and I received a set of 4 chairs in brown. They are completely constructed of steel frame in brown coating. The set of 4 patio chairs provides sturdy supports with max weight capacity of 250 pounds and rest-free for a longer service life. They are very comfortable to sit on, to lay your hands on the handrests, and they are perfect height. They are there for you to be enjoyed by the whole family, either on a patio, on a backyard, or on the travels or gatherings in the parks, as they're very portable with their folding design. The back and seat fabric are made of UV-resistant breathable textile fabric for long-lasting use, water and oil-proof, quick dry, and easy maintains. The foldable legs are convenient for you to store and transport chairs, and all edges on the chairs are rounded corners to protect you from being injured or scratched. With the space-saving and safe design, the chairs can be put in your car for camping or a trip. They are perfect for the gathering of family or friends, especially if you do cookout parties or participate in outdoors concerts. They really don't require much care. I enjoyed them, they are very comfortable, and I do recommend them.